Hello everyone and welcome back. I am so happy you are here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and get comfortable. Today, we are going to spend some time listening to real, natural American English together. You do not need to understand every single word. You do not need to stop and translate. Just listen, enjoy, and let English become a part of your daily life. Many English learners believe that native speakers talk too fast. They say, "I know the words, but I can't understand the sentence." If you have ever felt that way, don't worry. You are not alone. The more you listen to natural conversations, the easier they become. Your ears become stronger, your mind becomes quicker, and your confidence grows little by little. Today, imagine that you are living in the United States. You wake up in the morning, open your window, and start a brand new day. As you go through your day, you will hear many simple conversations. These conversations are not difficult. They are the kinds of conversations people have every day. Let's begin. You wake up, look at the clock, and say, "Good morning. Today is going to be a great day." Say it again, "Good morning. Today is going to be a great day, wonderful." You walk into the kitchen. "Good morning." "Morning. Did you sleep well?" "Yes, I did. What about you?" "I slept really well." "I'm glad to hear that." These are very common expressions. Did you sleep well? "Yes, I did. I'm glad to hear that." Now imagine someone asks you, "Are you hungry?" You answer, "Yes, I'm starving." Starving simply means very, very hungry. Someone smiles and says, "Let's make breakfast. Sounds good. Would you like eggs or cereal?" "I'll have eggs, please." "What would you like to drink?" "I'd like some coffee." "I'll have orange juice." Notice these simple answers. I'll have. They are polite and very natural. Now breakfast is ready. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Everything looks delicious. I hope you like it. It's really good. I'm happy you like it. Can you imagine this conversation? Try to see it in your mind. Listening becomes much easier when you create pictures in your imagination. Now breakfast is finished. I'm full. Me too. Thank you for breakfast. My pleasure. My pleasure is another friendly way to say you're welcome. Now it's time to leave the house. Have a nice day. You too. Drive safely. I will. See you later. See you. These are expressions you will hear every day. Now you arrive at a coffee shop before work. "Good morning. Good morning. What can I get for you?" "I'd like a medium coffee, please. Anything else?" "Yes, I'd like a blueberry muffin." "Sure, is that everything?" "Yes, that's all. Your total is $8. Here you are." "Thank you. Have a wonderful day." You too. Very simple. Very natural. Now let's repeat some useful expressions. "What can I get for you?" "I'd like anything else?" "That's all." "Here you are. Thank you. Have a wonderful day." Excellent. Now you're walking to work. A coworker sees you. "Hi, how's it going?" "It's going well. How about you?" "I'm doing great." "That's good to hear." "What did you do yesterday?" "I stayed home and watched a movie." "Oh, nice! What movie did you watch?" "It was a comedy." "Was it funny?" "Yes, it was hilarious." Hilarious means very funny. Now someone asks, "Do you have any plans for tonight?" You answer, "Not really. I might read a book. I might watch a show. I might go for a walk." Notice the word might. Native speakers use it all the time. I might go. I might stay home. I might call my friend. Now imagine lunchtime. "What are you having for lunch?" "I'm having a sandwich." "That sounds good. Would you like to join us?" "Sure, I'd love to. Let's go." "At the restaurant, can we have a table for two?" "Of course, right this way." Thank you. After sitting down, are you ready to order? Yes, I am. What would you recommend? I recommend the chicken sandwich. That sounds great. I'll take that. What would you like to drink? I'll have iced tea. Perfect. Again, these are real conversations that happen every day. The more you hear them, the more natural they become. Now imagine you're talking with a friend after lunch. How was your meal? It was delicious. I'm glad you enjoyed it. We should come here again, definitely. Definitely means yes, for sure. Now let's practice another conversation. Excuse me. Yes? Could you help me? Of course. I'm looking for the train station. It's about 5 minutes from here. Go straight, then turn left. Thank you so much. No problem. Have a great day. You too. These expressions are very useful when traveling. Excuse me, could you help me? Go straight, turn left, turn right. It's close, it's far. You're almost there. Excellent work. Now let's continue with another everyday situation. You're shopping for groceries. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? It's in aisle 5. Thank you. You're welcome. Later, did you find everything? Yes, thank you. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. Cash or card? Card, please. Please insert your card. Done. Your receipt is in the bag. Have a nice evening. Thank you, you too. Can you hear how friendly these conversations are? People do not always use long sentences. They usually speak in short, simple, natural expressions. That is one of the secrets to understanding real American English. Don't wait for perfect sentences. Listen for common phrases that people repeat every day. As you continue practicing, don't be afraid to repeat after what you hear. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect today, it will improve tomorrow. Every sentence you say is one more step toward confidence. Every conversation you listen to makes your ears stronger. Every new word becomes another tool that helps you communicate with the world. So keep listening, keep smiling, and most importantly, keep speaking. English is not something you only study. It is something you use. Little by little, day by day, you will notice that understanding everyday American English becomes easier than you ever imagined. Now let's continue our lesson together. You are doing a wonderful job. Remember, you do not have to understand everything immediately. Just keep listening. Every time you hear English, your brain becomes more familiar with the sounds, the rhythm, and the expressions. Little by little, English starts to feel natural. Now imagine your phone rings. Hello? Hi, how are you? I'm doing well. How about you? I'm great. Are you busy right now? Not really. What's up? I was wondering if you'd like to meet for coffee this afternoon. Sure. That sounds like a great idea. What time works for you? How about 3 o'clock? 3 is perfect. Great. I'll see you then. See you later. Notice how friendly and relaxed the conversation is. Native speakers often ask, "What's up?" It is simply another way to ask, "What's happening?" or "How are you?" A common answer is, "Not much." Even if you are doing something, now imagine you arrive at the coffee shop. Hi, it's so nice to see you. It's great to see you too. Have you been here before? Yes, a couple of times. What do you usually order? I usually get an iced coffee. I think I'll try that too. The drinks arrive. Cheers, cheers. How have things been? They've been pretty good. I've been busy with work. I understand. I've been busy too. It's nice to relax for a while. It really is. These are the kinds of conversations people have every day. They are simple, but they help you connect with others. Now imagine you are visiting a clothing store. Excuse me. Yes, how can I help you? I'm looking for a jacket. What size do you wear? I usually wear a medium. How about this one? It looks nice. Would you like to try it on? Yes, please. A few minutes later, how does it fit? It fits perfectly. I like the color. It looks great on you. I'll take it. Excellent choice. At the checkout, would you like a bag? Yes, please. Your total is $50. Here you go. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. You too. Now let's practice talking about the weather because people often start conversations this way. It's a beautiful day today. Yes. The weather is wonderful. It's nice and sunny. I hope it stays like this. Me too. On another day, someone might say, it's really hot today. Yes, it is. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Or maybe it's freezing outside. I know, I'm wearing 2 jackets. It's supposed to rain later. Good thing I brought an umbrella. You will hear conversations like these everywhere. At work, at school, in a store, on the bus, or while walking in the park. Now imagine you meet your neighbor. Good evening. Good evening. How are you doing? I'm doing well, thanks. How was your day? It was busy, but good. I'm glad to hear that. Any plans for tonight? I'm just going to relax and watch a movie. That sounds nice. Have a relaxing evening. Thank you. You too. Simple conversations like this help build friendships. They are short, friendly, and comfortable. Now let's learn some useful expressions you will hear very often. No worries, take your time. I'll be right back. That makes sense. Sounds good. I can't wait. That's amazing. What do you think? I agree. I don't think so. Maybe. Of course, absolutely. Try saying them aloud. No worries, take your time. Sounds good, absolutely. Excellent. Now imagine you're asking someone for directions inside a large shopping mall. Excuse me, could you tell me where the bookstore is? Certainly. Go up the escalator and turn right. Is it far? No, it's only a 2-minute walk. Perfect. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. When you reach the bookstore, you ask, do you have this book in English? Let me check. Yes, we do. Great! I'll take one. I hope you enjoy it. I'm sure I will. Now think about your own daily life. Maybe tomorrow you go to a store. Maybe you buy some food. Maybe you meet a friend. Try using 1 or 2 English expressions in your mind. Even if you are alone, practice speaking them. You don't need another person to improve. You can practice while walking, cooking, cleaning, or waiting for the bus. Remember, fluency grows through repetition. The more you hear common expressions, the faster you recognize them. One day, someone will ask, how's it going? And instead of translating in your head, you will smile and answer naturally. It's going great. How about you? That is the goal. To understand English without fear. To answer with confidence. To enjoy conversations instead of worrying about every word. So keep listening every day. Keep repeating every day. Keep believing in yourself every day. Your English is improving with every lesson, every sentence, and every conversation you hear. You are building a strong foundation, and step by step, you are becoming a confident English speaker. As we come to the end of today's lesson, I want you to remember something very important. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about communicating, understanding, and enjoying the journey. Every person who speaks English fluently today was once a beginner. They made mistakes, forgot words, and sometimes felt nervous. But they continued, and that is why they improved. Now imagine that your day is almost over. You arrive home after a busy day. A family member smiles and asks, "How was your day?" You answer, "It was really good." "I learned something new today." That's wonderful. What did you learn? "I learned some useful English expressions." "Can you teach me one?" "Of course." You smile and say, instead of saying, "I don't understand," you can also say, "Could you say that again, please?" That's a useful sentence. "I think so too." Then someone says, "Would you like some tea?" "Yes, please, that would be nice." As you sit together, you continue talking. "What are your plans for tomorrow?" "I have a few things to do. I need to go shopping. I want to read for a while. And I'm going to practice my English." That's a great idea. The more you practice, the better you'll become. I believe that too. Now say these sentences with me. I'm getting better every day. I enjoy learning English. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I can understand more than before. I can speak with confidence. I will keep practicing. Excellent. Every time you repeat positive sentences like these, you train both your English and your confidence. Before you finish today's lesson, take one more moment to listen carefully. English is everywhere. You can hear it in conversations, movies, podcasts, songs, videos, and everyday life. The more you surround yourself with English, the more natural it becomes. Don't rush. Don't compare yourself with anyone else. Your journey is unique, and every small step is valuable. When you wake up tomorrow morning, try thinking in simple English. Say, "Good morning." Say, "I'm ready for a new day." While making breakfast, name the food you see. While walking outside, describe the weather. While relaxing in the evening, think about your day using easy English sentences. These small habits will make a big difference over time. Thank you for spending this time learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed these everyday American English conversations and discovered new words and expressions that you can use in your own life. Keep listening, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep speaking. Believe in yourself, be patient with yourself, and never stop learning. Every lesson brings you one step closer to understanding real English with ease and speaking with confidence. I look forward to practicing with you again very soon. Until then, have a wonderful day, keep smiling, and keep using English every chance you get. You are doing an amazing job, and your best English is still ahead of you.